normally do videos like this, but I have to because I'm so excited to open up this little sack. Okay, so this could be, I'm a little scared because it's a sack, but this could be a dress that I have wanted my whole life. Like since I was 8 years old, I have wanted a dress just like this one, assuming it like in the picture. It's a Marie Antoinette style dress, and I'm so excited. It's supposed to look like this. You see it? I'm so excited. Okay, I'm gonna open it. Yee! Okay. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm a little bit nervous. I'm mostly excited because I ordered it and it's finally here. Okay, so the reason why I got the dress is because it was only $160. I know that seems like a lot, but it was in my Renfair budget, so I save up. And it was a little bit wet outside. So, bag's a little bit wet. It doesn't look like the dress got wet. Okay, okay, let's see. Let's see. Ooh! Okay, so it's definitely a cheaper material, but, look at it! Oh, wow. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna interrupt the other part. Okay, so this is the skirt. This is under. It's a little wrinkly. Okay, so this is actually a pretty. It's a decent satin. It's a decent satin. Okay, this isn't too bad actually. Not too bad at all. The brocade could definitely be better. I'm gonna go try it on. I'll be back. Okay, lovely. This is so much better than I actually thought it was going to be. Honestly, when I saw the way the floor design is, I mean, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. Okay, for only $160 online off Facebook Marketplace, this isn't bad. Okay, so the buttons are real. It does actually button. It doesn't have any holes. Now I can't move my arms. Like that's as high as I can go. It barely fits. Like barely fits. But I'm in it. I will say though, I am wearing a crinoline to give it the volume. Okay. Okay. This isn't bad. It's not as good as it could be. But only $160? I mean, the sleeves, though. The sleeves. I love it. I've been wanting a dress like this literally since I was 8 years old. I don't care if the fabric's cheap. It's a Marie Antoinette dress. I love it. And I can always upgrade later. I love it. It's got the front. I'm so happy. I feel like a princess. It is so hot though. If I do wear this to the Ren Fair, it's gonna have to be cold at the Ren Fair. This is hot. Oh, it's so hot. I turned the air conditioner off so that you could actually hear me, but it's hot. But I love it. Okay, okay. So it's only printed on one side, and I mean the seaming isn't pretty. It's definitely just surged and gotten over with. But it's not fraying anywhere, and this is actually it's 2 layers, which is like, hey, right? So it's got layer number one. Ah, I stepped on it. Those 2 layers. Oops, I lied. It's got 2 layers, but it's thick. It's thick. It's not the prettiest satin in the world, but it's thick. It could do with a good steaming though. Oh, but I love it. It barely fits. I can breathe still, kind of. I'm not wearing a corset, but if I do, I'm gonna need some tight lacing because she's snug. Would the sleeves be better if it was printed on this side too? Yes, absolutely. But you know what I could do? I can add some lace. I can add some lace. It needs lace. Okay, here's the plan. I'm gonna I'm gonna spruce this up a little bit. If you want to see how I spruce it up and how I style it, because I have this image in my head of what I how yes yes yes. It's gonna be a minute though, because I just started working on a pirate series for y'all. So stay tuned to see how I do my bridge with it.